Guys, welcome back. Now we're going to try to open this up and see how to get to the meat and potatoes of this drone. We have the remote, and it does not feel that flimsy. It's pretty good. Let's see how many batteries you need to run this. Okay, interesting. So the battery for the drone seems to be in there, and you need 4, I believe, AA batteries to run this thing. And I actually like that number for remotes. It's usually pretty good. I'm not a fan of those that come in with 6 batteries or more than that. That gets annoying after a while. Interesting that you have 2 of these. You get 2. Hopefully that means if one breaks, you still have another one. And I'm a big fan of these wings that have this little tip over here. It does make them glide a whole lot better. Alright, so this underneath here is for the hovercraft mode of the drone. And let's get the drone itself. Here's the drone. And looks like, I guess, you get 2 batteries for this cool thing. Don't know how to plug this in yet. Oh no, this just should be just that easy, as in you just plug it in like that. But I guess I'll charge it first, because usually it's better to charge these things before you start. And I believe there was some kind of leaning. No, I thought in the instructions that these may lean, or you be able to turn them. I don't know if that's doable. I'm not going to risk breaking them. But this drone is extremely small. I really did not expect it to be that small. It does not come with a camera. I don't believe this is more of a flight around and have a good time kind of thing. Bash it around the house or in a big gym. So we'll have to see if it flies well enough that you can fly it indoors. Let's see what else you got. We got the instruction manual. Looks like Chinese and English. Pretty standard stuff. Comes with, well, 4 extra props. That's good. They're tiny. These props are tiny. And a screwdriver. What else we got? We got the charger, your typical charger, funny looking connector, and some stickers. At least it looks like stickers. But yeah, not a bad buy. Got this off eBay for about I think it was $35, so not bad. And hopefully it'll be amazing. I'm starting to like these ones that have these sort of like round protectors over the prop, because in some of my latest drone flights I have another drone that did not have protectors. And like if you want to fly over a roof and stuff like that, it's good to have these. Otherwise, usually tends to capsize, or you lose the drone on somebody else's roof, and that's no fun. You want to be able to keep your drone as long as possible. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one.